Hi, Martin Folan here. I'm here with my peer Jonathan Moriarty, and I'm just going to make a quick video running through my GeoGebra resource and my assessment question, which is this question here. So quickly, I'll just run through this one first. So I've already made a video kind of walking through this exerciser resource, but I'll just show you again. I'll just draw on the animation and the trace. So here we have our linkage, our circle, our kind of rod that's moving this polygon and point G in a certain path. Jonathan, do you think this is a good resource to use teaching loci and linkages to students?
Yeah, I feel this is a very useful resource to teach loci to students. I feel it's a nice introduction to get students to visualize how the path of loci moves and give them an insight to what they're looking for in their final solutions to a question.
Yeah, thank you for that. I'll just move on to my final assessment question. So, reading the question, a wheel rotates one half turn clockwise from a starting position along the horizontal rail. Point O1 is a fixed pivot for rod O1C and rod CD, and PF can slide through the fixed pivots. So our fixed pivots are E and G. G's here and E's here. Points A, P, B, and C are pin jointed. So the students have to draw this out themselves, and then they must attempt part A, B, and C. So looking at the question there, it looks fairly tricky. There's a lot going on. You're kind of looking for three different loci, which kind of makes it tricky. I feel it's quite challenging, but Jonathan, do you have any comments there?
Yeah, I feel it's a very challenging question. For someone of my capabilities, I've never done dynamic mechanisms for loci. I feel I would struggle with this question, but I do like how it can be solved practically with the use of trammels. I feel students will engage more with that as it's a more practical solution to solving questions. Although it is challenging, I feel like students will be able to do it eventually. Um, I feel it's a very good question to be honest to ask the students.
Yeah. This question is also useful as it ties in other aspects of the module or the DCG syllabus. For example, the tracking the movement of A, which is kind of going back to combined movements. So, yeah, this is my video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.